All right, coming back at you guys with another trade recap. Today I took one trade on NQ. It is the day before FOMC. So I took one trade on NQ and kind of want to just run through um, everything that I've seen, everything that I saw today, and kind of what my bias was coming into the day. So coming into the day, basically, I kind of had a neutral bias because of this 4 hour fair value gap. Let me put my magnet on. Because of this 4 hour fair value gap, I want to see how we would react. We could have dumped through, and I would want to come see us take out these relative equal lows, or hold it and possibly go take external buy side. So I was kind of being reactive coming into today, but going down to the lower time frame, going down to the lower time frame. On NQ, we took out this internal low right here, and we had this 15-minute change. So I marked that out going into the market open, and we were holding this 15-minute change. So I scaled down, and we displaced pretty heavily through this 5-minute fair value gap right here. We displaced this 5-minute fair value gap. We have an inverse fair value gap. I want to see buy side be the draw. So I've remained patient going into market open. Oh, shit. And I was really patient going into market open. And once we had this move at market open, basically, I think, yeah, this was market open. Yeah, 7:30, and we displaced this 5-minute fair value gap. I thought we were just going to go out and take these internal highs right up here. I thought we were going to go take out buy side. And if we did, I either would have hopped off or just remained really patient to see what we were going to do. Now it is the day before FOMC, so most likely I would have just hopped off because it tends to be really inefficient and very choppy PA. But we came all the way back down, manipulated this low, had our turtle soup, and we put in a bullish SMT. Had our turtle soup, we put in a bullish SMT. ES did not come take this low. Let me get this over here. So ES never took this low. So we had a bullish SMT that was put in, and at this point I'm extremely bullish, but I want to be patient and wait for my model to show up. So let me actually just delete this. So we come sweep this internal sell side level, have our turtle soup. I'm targeting buy side, right? We have this first 1-minute fair value gap that opens up. Have this first 1-minute fair value open up, and I want to see how we react. As soon as we react bullish and we show bullish structure, I enter long, and I had a tight stop at this low, and I'm targeting buy side. I had a tight stop. I think my entry was honestly a little bit more up here, but I had a tight stop at that low, and I'm targeting buy side. Now, we continue to show bullish order flow. We actually had a 5-minute change right here. Right here. We had a 5-minute change. And then once we tap back into the 5-minute change and hold this bullish fair value gap on the 1-minute, I move my SL to this recent low, and we go up and take buy side. So that was my trade today. Pretty early on, one trade, nothing crazy. Now, everything that I did right, my model, I traded my model exactly. I did everything right as far as taking the actual trade. However, I took this on my live account. And the day before FOMC, I knew the day before FOMC coming into the day, price is very inefficient and very choppy. And typically on these type of days, you don't want to put on live capital. And moving forward, the days before FOMC, I will no longer be putting on live capital. I'll just be trading evals. But today, that was the one thing that I did wrong. I put on live capital, which going into the market open, I knew price was going to be inefficient. Luckily today it was pretty efficient. But most FOMC days, or most days before FOMC, price is really inefficient, and we have some choppy PA. So going into the next days, going forward tomorrow into FOMC, I'll probably be trading after the meetings because all AM session, we're really just chopping and preparing for our move later in the afternoon session. So I'll probably be trading in the PM session. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, days before FOMC, I'm no longer trading live capital. I'm only trading evals or just tape reading and just watching what the market does and watching how we move. So great trade today. I did everything right as far as model and execution, but going forward, days before FOMC, I will not be trading live capital, only evals.